Hello friends, I am speaking Shukant Mondol. Now I am discussing about trigonometrical ratio. The trigonometrical ratio start from class 9 and up to 11-12. The trigonometrical ratio has 4 ordinate: first ordinate, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Here first quadrant all trigonometrical ratio are positive. Second quadrant is sine and cosec. Sine will be reciprocal of cosec. Cosec will be reciprocal of sine, is positive and other negative. Third quadrant 180 to 270. Here all negative except tan and cot. Tan and cot here positive. Fourth quadrant 270 to 360. Here all negative except cos and sec. Cos and sec here positive. Listen to me attentively. I am repeating again. All sine tan, all sine tan cos are positive. Other trigonometrical ratio are negative. First quadrant sine and cos positive, others negative. Second quadrant tan and cot positive, others negative. Fourth quadrant sec and cosec positive, others negative. Others negative except sec and cos positive or fourth ordinate. So I am starting from the trigonometrical ratio 90 degree plus theta, because 90 degree minus theta is a complementary angle. Here belongs first quadrant. Here belongs first quadrant and it will be a start of sums 9 and 10. It will even start. Listen to me attentively. Here belongs 90 degree plus theta. Here theta, friends, is 90 degree plus theta. Let's go. Please, important quotation: sine 90 degree plus theta. Listen to me attentively. Sine 1 into 90 degree plus theta. Here 1 is important part. 1 is called here coefficient of 90. Two terms, integer, natural number, positive natural number. Here even number and odd number. Number matlab even number and odd number. The coefficient of 90 degree will odd. The ratio sign will be sine. The coefficient of 90 even, the ratio sign will be sine. The ratio odd, the totally will be reciprocal of the sign. Listen to me attentively. So here cos theta, because sine is positive of second quadrant. Let's go friend. Cos 90 degree plus theta. Cos of 1 into 90 degree plus theta. 1 here odd number, for this reason is sine theta minus sine theta, because cos is negative for second quadrant. Okay friends, let's go. Second quadrant. (180 degree minus theta). Look at this. This is theta. 180 degree minus theta. This is belongs 180 degree minus theta belongs second quadrant. 180 degree minus theta belongs second quadrant. So second quadrant only sine and cosec positive. So let's go. Sine 180 degree minus theta. I'll written this term, second bracket, 2 into 90 degree minus theta. Here 2 is the essential part of this case. 2 is even. For this reason, sine will be sine theta. And sine positive second quadrant, for this reason sine is positive. Similarly, tan 180 degree minus theta equal to minus tan theta, because tan is negative second quadrant. Let's go, friends. 180 degree plus theta. 180 degree plus theta. This theta is 180 degree. For 180 degree plus theta, it will belongs third quadrant. Third quadrant mean that here tan and cot. Tan and cot, listen to me attentively. Tan and cot positive, others all negative. Tan and cot is positive, third quadrant, and others all negative. For this reason, tan of 180 degree plus theta, has written this term 2 into 90 degree plus theta. So 2 is even number, for this reason tan theta, and 180 degree plus theta belongs third quadrant, for this reason tan is positive. Similarly, sec 180 degree plus theta equals to minus sec theta. Cosec 180 degree plus theta equal to minus cosec theta. Okay friends, let's go next term. To 70 degree minus theta. Okay friends, 270 degree. 270 degree minus theta. 270 degree minus theta. It belongs third quadrant. At first, I think this angle which belongs to ordinate. So here 270 degree minus theta belongs third ordinate. Tan 270 degree minus theta. Friends, tan of 3 into 90 degree minus theta. Look at this term. 3 is odd number. For this reason, tan will be changed cot theta, cot of theta. But tan here positive, tan and cot positive, and others trigonometric ratio negative of third quadrant. For this reason, tan 270 degree minus theta is cot theta, but sine will be cot is positive, because tan and cot third coordinate positive, and others all trigonometric ratio will be negative. Let's go. 270 degree plus theta. 270 degree plus theta. 270 degree plus theta, friends. This is the quotation, 270 degree plus theta. 270 degree plus theta is an angle which belongs fourth quadrant. At first, I say that fourth quadrant cos and sec positive and other trigonometric ratio all negative. Fourth quadrant cos and sec positive and others trigonometric ratio negative. Let's go. Cos 270 degree plus theta. Cos of 270 degree plus theta, cos of 3 into 90 degree plus theta. Here 3 is odd number. For this reason, cos change will be its reciprocal mean that sine of theta, but plus sine theta, because cos and sec are positive fourth quadrant. For this reason, cos will be positive, mean that sine theta. Others, angle sec of 270 degree plus theta equal to cosec theta, because sec here positive. For this reason, cos of 270 degree plus theta equal to cosec theta. Let's go, friends. Here 360 degree minus theta. Angle belongs that 360 degree minus theta. This is 360 degree minus theta, friends. Let's go. 360 degree minus theta is an angle which belongs fourth quadrant. 360 degree minus theta is an angle which belongs fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant all negative except cos and sec positive. Cos and sec positive. Let's go. Cos of 360 degree minus theta. Cos of 4 into 90 degree minus theta. Here, listen, look at this figure. 4 is even number. Friends, 4 is even number. For this reason, cos will be cos of theta. And cos is positive fourth quadrant. Cos is positive fourth quadrant. For this reason, cos plus cos theta. Cos will be plus cos theta. And sec will be plus sec theta. Others, trigonometrical fourth trigonometrical ratio, sine, sine, cosec, sec, tan, cot. Fourth trigonometrical ratio here negative. So for this reason, this is the trigonometrical ratio of part of 11-12. Friends, part of orbit trigonometrical 360 plus theta. 360 plus theta belongs 360 plus theta. It belongs first quadrant. At first I say that first quadrant all trigonometrical ratio are positive. All trigonometrical ratio are positive. For this reason, 360 plus theta, all trigonometric ratio will be positive. And 360 sine, let us suppose 360 degree plus theta. Here sine 4 into 90 degree plus theta. Here 4 is even number, friends. Listen to me attentively. 4 is even number. For this reason, sine theta and sine of sine theta will be positive, because all trigonometrical ratio first quadrant will be positive. For this reason, sine is sine theta, mean that plus sine theta. Okay, this chapter closed here. Friends, if you like my video, please share and subscribe me. Bye.